Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by refining what you search for and why it matters. Start with Cite, to limit domains and file type. To fetch PDFs or docx, this cuts noise. Once done, wrap exact phrases in quotes and use the minus sign to drop unwanted terms. Make sure to combine operators and or to control logic. You'll notice results narrow quickly, which saves time. Practice with a specific case like Cite, intitle, research, file type, PDF, and observe how precision improves. Now deepen the search using filters and auxiliary operators to extract the best hits. Use the numeric range operator, for example 2010, 2020 to constrain years, and the Tools menu to set time windows. Use related, to surface similar sites and link, to inspect backlinks when you need authority signals. Once you see a promising result, try cache and info, to inspect historical copies and metadata. Make sure to use define, to capture concise definitions without leaving the results page. To finish, iterate, refine keywords, swap operators, and scan snippets for new terms to add. If results seem biased, verify search settings like region, language, and safe search because those affect visibility. Once done, use synonyms or less specific terms to broaden results if you get few hits. Make sure to test file type and site limits separately to isolate issues. Troubleshooting tip: if searches return nothing, remove the most restrictive operator first, often the minus sign or a narrow site. Then rebuild the query step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.